What's up, YouTube? Quick view what I'm doing. 2012 Chevy Cruz, getting a 4-channel lamp, Pioneer, and component speakers for the door. So far all I got is the power ran through the firewall. I had to drill a hole. You see my mess. Still gotta drill the hole for the tweeters. Well, I'm not sure yet because the car already has tweeters. Let's see if I can get by, although another set wouldn't hurt. So here it goes. See the power being ran. Comes down and around along with the door speakers, RCA, and remote turn on. Some say not to run the RCAs next to the speakers. Me personally, I've never had a problem doing it, so I'm not sure. I mean, that's just up to you. But you can see, fished it through that middle section, back on through, everything nice and hidden. So I mean, you can somewhat see it when you pull down the seat, but who cares? Still need to tidy up back here. Just a quick mock-up. See if the camera focuses. But there's the amp, Pioneer. It says 760, but that's not right. I believe it's like 80 RMS to each speaker, so it should be pretty good. But after that, all I'll have left to do is put this mess back together. And if you ever decide to install to a Chevy Cruz, I'd say keep the factory head unit. It's pretty nice. All you'll need is the line out converters, which are right there, and I only paid like 14 bucks for each of them, which isn't bad. So but yeah, you have to start right here with the center, work your way up, and I believe it's like 16 screws, maybe more, that you got to take out just to get it out. But it's not too bad. So once I'm done, I'll be back with another update.